Okay, so we're back to this image. We're going to make some body reshaping. We'll try to make this woman a little slimmer with some better body lines and everything, but I will try to make the body look as natural as possible, and I'm not going to make very drastic changes, because drastic changes don't look good in these cases. So first of all, we should make another layer by pressing the Ctrl and J button. And now let's go to filter, liquify, forward warp tool, and we will do this in a couple of steps. First, I would like to address some things. I'm not going to do everything at once. I will try to move this a little bit inside, like this, here also. Okay, this is looking a little better now. Okay, something like this. Now on this side, don't mind the deformation of the hand, we will fix that later. I'm just watching the waist here. You see? Okay. A little bit the arm here. Don't mind this part here, we will fix that also. And okay, this will be for the first step. And sorry for zooming out like that, because I always try to check the picture from a little bigger distance. At least I can get a better look at the whole image when I'm looking at it from a little bigger distance. Okay, so this is it for this step. It's not done yet, but for this step it's okay. I will make another copy of the original image. Now this is the first reshaped layer. I'm gonna make a copy out of it. Sorry, wrong combination. Ctrl J, copy out of it. So this is layer 2. And here I will try to do something about this part here. Something about the arm. Again, don't mind the shirt. We will fix this in the next step. I'm just taking care of the hand here. Okay. I think this is more than enough. Maybe even too much. Okay, let it be like it is. Now a little bit on the other side, on the other arm, to improve the shape of the shoulders, maybe a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to try to fix this part here, because you see what I did while I was fixing the arm. I will add a mask here, use the brush tool, and paint over the shirt here to revert it back to the original shape. Now you should play with the white color, black color to cover up, show up some part of the image, and that's all the technique actually that's required. So making the brush little with less opacity, so it's not so obvious where we are painting here. Okay, we will use maybe the clone tool for this. I will fix this later. Now let me see on the other arm. Here. Same thing here with the mask. Use the black color to cover the effect. Okay, we need to address these parts here in between. We will fix this easily. I will make something here. This is the place when where you are fine-tuning the changes to make it appear as natural as possible. So now that I have enabled the new layer above, you see the effect is back again. Let me fix this little bit here, and I will have to apply a black mask here to cover the effect. I will just use the lasso tool like this, and with the thumbnail of this mask selected, I will shift backspace and use black. Okay, now we can use the same mask just to cover some of the things. At least we can try to see how it will go. Maybe the white, you see it. Oh, okay, it's not here. Okay, I won't touch it anymore, and now I will make a merge layer out of those that we worked on. I will group these layers together, and now I will try to do something with the this here, this here. This is actually very easy to do. I will just I can try with the patch tool. You see, not healing but patch tool. You can try something like this. Okay, and just drag it here and gone. Okay, but that doesn't work every time, so now I can do this here also. Great. And now for this I will need to use the clone tool. I will do another empty layer, use the clone tool, okay, maybe something like this. I will reduce the opacity just to make a smoother transition here. Okay. Now I will zoom in a little bit. We need to sample from here. Let's make this brush a little softer. Okay. And I think that we did a great job there. Okay. Match done. And this is the before and after. For example, nothing spectacular, but still it's a skinnier, more fit body than it was before. Now we can try something with the face, for example. Again, filter liquify, because there is this face tool in liquify. First, maybe the face shape, face width. You can make it little, just a little bit here, something like this. This maybe the underchin a little bit. Oh, this is too much. Okay, let me see before and after. Okay, now we'll go to okay, and now because we made the changes of the face, you see actually the nose became little smaller, the mouth and everything. We will address those things. I will add another mask again here. I will use the black color brush, with bigger in size, and just paint over the places that I don't want to be affected with the liquify tool. Okay, let me see before and after. You see the chin has gone a little bit higher than in the original, and the chin doesn't change the position when you get skinnier or anything like that, so we need to address this also. That's the beauty of the masking. You see, this is a little better now. The chin is in the same position, but the cheeks are a little smaller now. And I will merge this on also, and there you go. So it's not very drastic, but it makes the girl, the woman, look a little better. Okay, so this will be it for this video. Thank you.